dan wa iyan dan wa susuyan
Pila benar tadi ni nga. Hindi ka jing ke jong ayapi. Kanam kerla.
Kajingya lang kinhuan menteri jong sarkar Meghalaya kala minjur ban syab ban sedang no ek Xavier University ha kejela ha ka ba ka ni ka rai ka pin pau ek jing ang nuat ban pin khlain ye ka pule puthi ka ba kham shakmat bat ban plia lat themma ye samla pule ha ba grand jikla pathai khubor hadien kajingya lang ha ka jan met platarek unai tung arja arpin reo o menteri rangba kejela konrat ke sangma ulaong ba hadien kajingya grand benia bat ki bor penya jong ka Xavier University Kakinhuan menteri kala minjur ban ai Sanphew Acre ka Jaka Mawkhanu ha ka dor ka baduna ka balong kumba shilak tingka shi Hectare u konrad uloong ba ka ni kam dei tang ka jing ai Jaka henry ka dei ka jing bei tingka na ka banta ka lawe jang ki samla pule ka jilla ulapin pau ba ka Xavier ka dei ka shlem pule ka pau nam bar ka badan ka jing ro ha ka pule ka puthi bar ka jingwan jong ka shi Meghalaya kan tiu shu e ka pule ba kham shakman bar ka technical education ha jilla
establishment of St. Xavier's University in Shillong. As you're aware, a few years back we had passed the act to establish the St. Xavier's University. And during the process, of course, there were a lot of discussions and negotiations that took place. And finally, we received a letter from St. Xavier's authorities that they required 100 acres of land from the government to establish the St. Xavier's University. And after detailed discussion, we have decided as a cabinet that we will be able to give 50 acres to St. Xavier's in Mawkhanu at a rate of about 1 lakh rupees per hectare, which is at a very concessional rate. And of course, this is being done because St. Xavier's is a premier institute. And this is an investment that we're making in our youth and in our future generation, because by having institutes like the St. Xavier's University coming in, which is a brand known all over the country and the world, we are very positive that it will have a very huge impact, especially on higher technical education and the different opportunities that it will have for our youth. And this goes in line with our commitment towards education and our vision to take the overall education sector to greater heights and also to provide better opportunities for our youth of our state and the region as a whole.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
balehi banai kita
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.